Hi, it's Todd Howard with Charles Ruttenberg Realty, and welcome to 1221 Bermuda Street here in beautiful Clearwater, Florida. Before we get too involved in the house, let's talk about just the location of it. If you're familiar with Dunedin Middle School, you're about 2 minutes from Dunedin Middle School and really kind of at the intersection of Union Street and Douglas. You're also about probably a half a mile to the Blue Jays training camp. And if you're loving the downtown Dunedin lifestyle, you're all of about a 5-minute golf cart ride. You're also real close to Pinellas Trail. And if you're a Clearwater beach lover, it would be, I don't know, maybe 20, maybe 30-minute drive from this particular location. So a little bit about the house. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage with a little bit better than 1,400 square feet. The home was completely rehabbed and updated in 2018. So the AC is 2018, the windows same, the roof is 2019. And it's just really a very tastefully updated home. So without further ado, let's take a look at the lot lines and I'll meet you in the kitchen. So welcome to the heart of the home, the kitchen. What you're gonna find on the counters is marble. Obviously you've got bar seating there for 4. You have all soft close cabinets, updated stainless steel appliances, super cute backsplash, and the rest of the house is just as cute. Let's go look around. All right, that's gonna do it today for 1221 Bermuda Street here in Clearwater, Florida. If you have any interest in this property whatsoever, feel free to reach out to me. Todd Howard, Charles Ruttenberg Realty, 727-614-3296. And if for some reason, if this is not your home, be sure to check out my website at toddhowardproperties.com. And please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.